What's up, A Squad? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, y'all. So today it is Saturday and I'm out and about, baby. So today I am going to be doing a Filipino mukbang for you all. I stopped at the Filipino kitchen where I live, and let me tell you, this place is so good. I love it. I don't know the name of everything, but baby, the food is good. I got a 2 entree combo with noodles and rice. I got rice. It comes with some meat in there. I got noodles. It's white rice. I got the chicken menudo and the beef menudo. When I tell you it is good, it's good. It is to go. They do have where you can sit down in there if you'd like to. I don't, just because, I mean, I'm out doing stuff. They got potatoes. So good. It is nice out here today. Looks like it's going to rain. Said it wasn't going to rain, but I see little sprinkles coming on the car. I like to try different food just to see. When I tell you this rice and noodles is so good, it's so good. They got a drink called, or maybe it's not a drink, a dessert called Hello Hello. If you all have tried it, please let me know how you like it. I saw the lady in front of me getting it. They put hers in a bowl this time. It looks like it comes with fruit. I don't know if that was rice or what. They've had some ice in there. They had some purple ice cream and a couple different other things in there. But it really looks good. Let me know. Is it sweet? How is it? I like this because you get your entree, you get your protein, you get your pretty much everything all in one. I even got my daughters liking this, and they don't be liking nothing. My one daughter, all she likes is McDonald's. 10-piece chicken nuggets, Mom. Let me get a 10-piece chicken nugget, Mom. I don't know what kind of beef this is, but it's good. And then I got chicken. The sauce on here, or the stew that they make it in, it's so good. So good. They do have where you can get 3 entrees, 1 entree. You can go in there and pick out certain stuff. They're really busy. I remember when they were by my job at one point when they were just like starting to expand. So they've moved up a lot here where I live. Got some green peppers. Not spicy. None of that. Just good. And I got a Pepsi. If you try different food from different countries, what do you try? What do you like? I mean, I know we eat a lot of everything in America, in different countries, you eat a lot of different everything. If it's something that you like, something that you tried, what is it? These noodles are good. Next week is Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to get my Valentine's baskets and stuff ready for my kids. Just put a little bit of trinkets in there for them. Out here running some errands. Finally on a nice weekend. Tell me, do you think you have to celebrate Valentine's Day? If you celebrate it, do you go all out? Do you do a little bit of stuff? Do you do it big? How do you do it? I still believe Valentine's Day should be celebrated all year long, every single day. But it is nice to get your significant other, your kids, whoever you want to show that you love them, something on Valentine's Day. Whether it's big or small. Oh, they even got peas in here. And they have a lot of different food here. They have a lot of soups. They have fish. Looked like they had some type of meat on a stick. Just a lot of different things. I normally only get the chicken, but this time I got the beef as well. Definitely a meal to fill you up. Oh, I love it. This lady just parked by me with a big old truck. She got a big old truck, Hey. No, but on a serious note, I woke up this morning, said, let me run out here and do some errands. Let me get my stuff situated for my kids and make sure that everything is set it for next week. That's it. Really don't got too much planned for today. About to go back home and probably clean and relax. Last week we were all sick, had a little cold going on. I know with this weather, it's not really helping nobody because it's bipolar out here. You got hot one day, cold the next. Kids going to the bus stop with only sweatshirts on, no coats on. Then they come home and get you sick, get your baby sick, get your other people in the house sick. So, yeah. I think we had the hottest Saturday, like last Saturday or Saturday before that. They even said it was the hottest one since like 1990 something or 2000s. Which is kind of crazy because it was like almost 80 something degrees outside. Really not no complaints because, hey, I'm a homebody anyway. The Super Bowl tomorrow, y'all. Super Bowl Sunday. What team are you rooting for? I'm not rooting for no team because I don't really watch football like that. I do want to see Usher perform, and I do like watching all of the performers come out and perform. I like watching the commercials. What team you rooting for? I see everybody already in Vegas ready to turn up and get litty. I'm be sitting at home watching them. In my house, they like the Dallas Cowboys. I grew up on watching the Redskins. I don't really care about football. I say to each their own, rooting for the teams. It's not hot or spicy, but some got my nose a little tingling, a little running a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. peppers and onions, peppers and onions, peppers and onions, peppers and onions, peppers and onions. Me, I'm a person that when you cook and eat, I feel like peppers and onions probably like top off the meal. You obviously don't gotta have it all the time, but peppers and onions will make the meal. It will make it slap more than it probably already did prior. Y'all, I like to have fun. Life is short. Tomorrow is not promised. You got to enjoy it while you can, because it's short. When you wake up, you got to live it to the fullest, just because you never know. Ain't no shame in my game. I am tearing it down. Some little bones, gotta pick them out. Piece of chicken, some peas, the little leaf you cook with for seasoning. So anyways, I give this Filipino kitchen a 10 out of 10. Again, I've gone there for a couple years now. I just love trying different food from all over the world. You know, you try it. If you don't like it, you don't go back. If you do, you keep on supporting. I can't wait till I get a point in my life where I can travel and try food all over the world. I want to go to Mexico. I would love to go to France, Bora Bora. I would like to go to Dubai. Just to name a few. To try some of their cuisines. And I'm pretty sure that if I go there or if I try it, my kids are going to love it too. Because almost everything I try and eat, my kids love. Except for a few things. All right, y'all, I'm getting full. I'm coming to an end. Just popped in to say hey. Tried the Filipino restaurant. About to get the rest of my errands ran. So I can get back home and do some more stuff, you know. I like to do everything I got to do on Saturday, so Sunday I can sit back and relax and get ready for that next work week. On this note, thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have some food that you've tried and it is here in America, whether it is in your part of your state, wherever, excuse me, please drop it in the comments, because I definitely would love to try. Because who knows? You might be turning me on to something I ain't never thought about trying. We're going to take this one last bite together. It is a piece of chicken. I will get a scoop of rice and noodles, and we're going to be out. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting. If you watch my other videos, I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.